Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to edit sent message in Facebook Messenger. So if you are into a conversation on your Facebook Messenger and just type in the wrong information which you need to edit, then here is a video for you on how you can easily edit sent messages in Facebook Messenger. So if any of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to edit sent messages or conversation in Facebook Messenger, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app. Open the chat where you want to edit the message. You can see this message is sent. Now, to edit sent message in the Facebook Messenger, press and hold the message you want to edit. Then from the menu that appears, you see edit. Now go ahead and click on edit. Then edit the message. And after that, click on the check mark to save the message. Once you click on the check mark, you see edited, and then the message will be delivered. So you can repeat this on all messages that falls under the time frame to edit message on Messenger. So that is basically how to edit message in Facebook Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.